Welcome to the session. In this session, we are conducting an experiment to find out the refractive index of water using concave mirror. For this experiment, the operators used are the stand, point object, meter scale and concave mirror. So let's go through the principle. In the principle, I am making use of two situations to find out the refractive index of water. The first one, the rays of light from the object incident normally on the concave mirror retrace their paths so that image of object forms by the side of the object. So here is the diagram corresponding to that situation. So the object we have A, B. So the light from the object AB incident normally on the concave mirror retrace their path so that image of the object forms by the side of the object. So image of the object forms by the side of the object, that is A dash, B dash. The corresponding reading is R, that is radius of curvature. One more point we can add is that for a concave mirror, if the object is at a distance of radius of curvature, then the image is formed at the same point inverted, same size, that is the object height is equal to the image height. So I take that reading as R. In the second situation, so here you can see the second situation, we have dropped some water onto the concave mirror. So the situation, the bottom of the concave mirror containing water appears to be raised because of refraction of water. So you can see the object AB, the corresponding image A dash is A dash B dash, A double dash B double dash is formed by the side of the object, and the corresponding reading we can take it as R dash. So by finding out the values R and R dash, so you can able to calculate the refractive index of water. So let's go with let's start the experiment. Let's start with the first trial. Place the concave mirror here and this pointer object is fixed to the stand and it's free from the other end. So what we do here is I will rise this object until I get a real inverted and same size image which coincides on the other side of the concave mirror. That's exactly to the object. We'll have an image of this object which coincides with this one of same size. Let's rise it. Let's do that. Okay, we're almost there. As I move it up, if you see, it will be very big in size. As I move up, the size of the object at somewhere, the size of the object will match with the size of the size of the image will match with the size of the object. So we have to find out that point. Yeah, at this point it's matching, so we need to concentrate. Yes, so you can see that the size of the object is same, the size of the image is same as the size of the object. We can avoid parallax. So we got the value R, that is radius of curvature of concave mirror. Let's find it out using the meter scale. From the surface to the point, the value is coming out to be 34.7. 34.7 is the value of R. Let's find out the R dash value. For that, I'm dropping water on the surface of concave mirror. So now if you observe, without changing the position of the object, you can see the image of the object in the concave mirror with water appears to be diminished. It is appearing to be diminished. So what we do, let us adjust in such a way that the size of the object will match with the size of the image will match with the size of the object. So here, yeah. So at this point, you can see the size of the image is matching with the size of the object. So the corresponding, so parallax is avoided. So the corresponding reading from the surface of water to the object is R dash. Let's find it out. Let's find out the R dash value. So I'm placing the meter scale on the surface of water, and these points, the reading is pointing out to be 26.1. The corresponding value of R dash when we have the water in the concave mirror is 26.1. Okay. So get the R and R dash value. That is, first, without water, R is equal to 34.7, and the second one, radius of curvature of mirror with water, R dash is equal to 26.1 centimeter. So let's go for the calculation. Very simple. Okay. We got the values of R and R dash. First one, radius of curvature of mirror, R is equal to 34.7 centimeters. Radius of curvature of mirror with water is R dash is equal to 26.1 centimeter. Let's calculate the refractive index of water with respect to air. The formula I am making use here, NW corresponds to refractive index of water is equal to R by R dash, that is 34.7 divided by 26.1 centimeter. We cancel out. On solving this, we get the value 1.3295. So you can approximately take it as the refractive index of water 1.33. So the actual value of the refractive index of water is also 1.33. By experiment, making use of concave mirror, so we are finding out the refractive index of water. So we are also getting the exact value. So this is the result. Our aim was to calculate the refractive index of water using concave mirror. So we got the RI refractive index of water using concave mirror is equal to 1.33. 1.33. As we know, refractive index is a unitless quantity, so it's a number 1.33. Thank you.